How to integrate WhatsApp with Odoo. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp with Odoo. First, log into your Odoo dashboard. From here, head over to the Apps section. On the search bar, type in WhatsApp, then click Enter. Here, click on Install, and the text will appear letting you know that you can test this feature for a 15-day period trial. After that, your database will be locked unless you buy an Odoo subscription. To fully use the WhatsApp integration, you will need a premium Odoo plan. The free or trial version won't give you full access. If you're ready to proceed, click on Confirm, and this will begin the integration of WhatsApp messaging into your Odoo account. After installation, you may be asked to log into your WhatsApp account and complete a few setup steps. Don't worry, Odoo will guide you through the entire process. And that's it. That's how you integrate WhatsApp with Odoo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.